Alright, this time we are going to build detail number 15. I think that says on there. Yes, 15. There's your hole pattern. Notice, I do recommend you use some hard steel, which I don't have. So, this part's going to prematurely wear, probably, because I'm going to use 1018 mild steel, or cold rolled steel. It's because that's what I have. This is the part that the belt rubs on. It is the smooth part of the belt, but nonetheless, it will still wear, and that is fine. I expect that. So, to prevent that, you can use 1095, 4140, 01, any type of steel that can be heat treated, and you can harden the surface. Will work. So, let's knock this out. I'm not going to do this the old-fashioned way, because we've covered that on a lot of videos. On this one, I'm just going to knock it out on the mill. So, my zero's up here, so let's see. We are going to go over to 1. Alright, so I did 5/16 through and 5/8 deep enough to hide the head of a 5/16 flathead. Now on the print, I call out the official, you know, whatever inventor defines as a 5/16 countersink description. So if you watch the video, you can see that this should work out. So that's all we got for detail number 15. I got basically a spacer and the wheels. I don't know if I'm gonna make a video on how to do the wheels, because 99.99% of you are gonna buy the wheels and they're gonna be different. And this part right here that this mates up to has 2 sets of holes depending which size wheels. I'm going to use 3-inch wheels. If you use 2-inch wheels, I think you'll use that set of holes, and then if you use the other ones, you use the other. Those don't seem to line up. Oh, it's because they don't. Ha! There you go. So that bolts on there. This goes onto the mating part. So that will go underneath there. And that does line up, so we're good. Anyway, yeah, there's 2 patterns here for different size wheels. That's what that's for. Anyway, that's all I got don't forget, if you're still watching the video at this point, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to share this with your friends who are also maybe building belt grinders, and make sure you subscribe so when this is all done, you will see the final product. This is going to be a super high performance metal shredding beast. Anyways, thank you for watching so much. I appreciate it. We'll see you next time.